Okay, we're taking a look at the iGarden K-Series AI pool robot. I ended up getting it configured today and put it in the pool. This is its first run. So the interesting thing about this was I had a little bit of a problem configuring it. And one of the interesting things was I kept putting it in the water and it kept going offline on me and it wouldn't start up. I went through the setup routine a second time, and after the second time, it was fine. But once it started up, it was kind of interesting. When it starts operating, what happens is it goes into the water, it drives around a little bit, and it finds any debris that's on the bottom. Like I had some leaves in the pool, so it randomly went around the pool looking at the leaves. All right, and then what happened was it kind of scoured the deep end and the shallow end. And then it started honing in on where all the debris was in the pool, and it kind of like mapped it out and marked where it was. So once it did that, it started to randomly go after the leaves one at a time. The whole pool was clean except for, maybe a dozen leaves or so. And because of that, the pool cleaner here is doing its thing. Just keeps going around the pool, finding any debris. And when it finds a leaf, it kind of lines itself up because it's got a bunch of cameras on it. It lines itself up, jockeys into position, and it goes after the leaves. So now it's going back down into the deep end to take a look around. But so far, once I was able to get it programmed to the phone, get it online, now see it's making a turn. It's making a turn right now because it knows there's a leaf over there. And it went and got it. And now it's backing down a little bit. It's lined up on another leaf, went right over it and sucked it up. And now it's going to turn itself around. And it's looking at those leaves right in front of it now. And it's going to go after those. So all in all, it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to run quite a while. You can set it for up to 5 hours of battery time. And it will just keep on going and cleaning your pool until it's clean and then stop. Now, I don't know what it does when it hits the end of the cycle because I haven't been around to see that yet. But right now it's kind of snooping around the deep end. And he's down 9 feet. It's kind of climbing halfway up the wall. There's a leaf halfway up the wall. Just got it. And now he's backing down. So it had mapped out that leaf over there before, and then it went and got it. Now, I've got new style drain covers in the pool because the pool was just refinished. And I thought that it was going to get hung up on it, but it hovered over it for maybe like 15 or 20 seconds, and then got off of it and went over the side. Now, there's a leaf right there. He's going after it, and it's gone now. So I'm going to let it do its thing, but this is just a peek at first run. And I have no experience with it yet, so I really don't know much about really getting it started. I think I might have got it started by accident. I was kind of going through the directions, putting it in the phone, and eventually it was running. So I wouldn't back down if I were you from buying one. It seems to be doing a more than adequate job on finding debris in the bottom of the pool. It actually maps it out, knows where it is, and it uses AI to actually get the cleaning done because it knows where every spot is in the pool that needs it. Now, my water is super clean. So for me, it's probably helpful. I don't know what it will do with cloudy water, but that's my take on it. Don't be disappointed. You know, take a shot, give it a try. You got nothing to lose. Take care. Okay, so the iGarden pool robot, KAI series, was in the pool for about an hour, and it methodically went through the pool, picking up every single leaf that was in the bottom. It was scattered. It just kind of found them, went after them, and vacuumed them up. You can see right now the pool is immaculate compared to what we started with. Now, we're going to run over here for a second. I took it out of the water. Okay, took it out of the water. Now we're going to open this up and we're going to clean it out. This is the first time I'm doing this, okay? I'm going to rinse it off first, just to get the salt water off of it. And this is how you open it up. There's a handle right here. You just pick it up and the whole mechanism comes out. Now let's take a look at what this found. Look at. Like I said, it found every single leaf in the bottom of the pool. And I really like the way you just pull this out and open that front door on it. And now we're going to rinse it out and clean it. I'd like to make a mention that this has a really fine mesh filter in it. And you can see where the dust or the debris that it picked up from the floor of the pool is actually trapped in the mesh. Now it's nice and clean. All right, it's all clean. I'm going to rinse the inside of this off. Rinse the leaves off the top of this into the grass. And now we're going to be ready to go again tomorrow or the next day, whenever we need to. So just have to close that trap door. That's it. We put it back in like this, and that's it. That's all we need to do. So shout out to the iGarden for sending this out. We put it through its first run. Did an immaculate job of cleaning the pool up. I would not hesitate to go out and buy one today, because this will make a pool life so much easier. Take care now.